How to trim and cut videos in Premiere Pro. Here are some tips for trimming and cutting videos in Premiere Pro. To make a basic cut, place your playhead where you want to cut the clip and press CMD/Ctrl+K. This will cut the clip into two separate clips at the playhead location. To trim the beginning or end of a clip, hover your mouse over the beginning or end of the clip you want to trim until you see the trim icon. It looks like a little bracket. Click and drag the edge of the clip inwards to trim off any unwanted frames. You can also trim clips in the timeline panel. Click the clip you want to trim to select it, then drag either edge of the clip inwards to trim frames. To make more precise trims, expand the clip in the timeline so you can see the individual frames. Then you can drag the edge of the clip inwards and it will snap to trim off individual frames. To cut a clip without creating a new edit point, hover over the cut line in the middle of a clip and click when the razor blade icon appears. This will cut the clip into two at that point, but it won't create a new edit point. Use keyboard shortcuts to quickly trim clips. Press Alt+ or Alt+ on Windows or Alt+ or Alt+ on Mac to trim the beginning or end of a selected clip one frame at a time. You can also split a clip entirely in two by placing the playhead where you want to split and going to Edit Split Clip or pressing CMD/Ctrl+Shift+D.